Hello friends, in the SSP series, I have so far made 5 videos. That is, day 1 the screening test, which comprises of PPDT and the OIR. Day 2 will be full of psychological tests, that is thematic appreciation test, word association test, situation reaction test, and self-description. Now, day 3 and 4 will be exclusively for the GTO and the interview. There will be totally 9 group tests, and the first one is group discussion. Now, the interview will also start from the day 3 afternoon onwards, and those candidates who are going to be interviewed will be informed well in advance so that they are mentally prepared. I shall explain what is group discussion, why it's held, its importance, its aim, objectives, how it is conducted, the purpose, what are the qualities that the GTO is looking in you during the discussion, how to tackle group discussion, how to prepare, and finally certain tips, and what are the do's and the don'ts. Generally, after equipping oneself academically and professionally, each one of you will try to start a career in life. It could be in the armed forces or campus recruitment for the corporate sector, or could be any recruitment ventures. But in all these ventures, the first level of elimination would be a group discussion. Now, when it comes to service selection board, being the first test, your impression would matter, and this may have an impact in the balance 8 test also. Now, concentrating on its importance in armed forces, effective communication skill is very, very important. Therefore, verbal and intellectual communication is important factor for the selection. Group discussion is an ideal platform where a candidate can effectively showcase one's communication skills. Now, coming to the purpose of group discussion. First of all, to assess the candidate's contribution in terms of current affairs, his intellectual skills, the ability to present ideas logically, the behavior of the candidate, that how composed he is during the conduct, the confidence level, and the way one responds when his views are contradicted. I shall now explain how group discussion is conducted. Now, in all, there will be 2 group discussions, that is one after the another. Now, the syndicate will normally comprise 8 to 10 candidates with the chest number on. Now, all will be sitting in a circular fashion. Now, the GTO asks the candidates to introduce themselves. Once the introduction is over, then he will announce 2 topics and will ask the group to choose one to begin with. To make sure all are clear about the topic, the GTO will announce and immediately the discussion starts. Maximum each topic will be discussed not more than 20 minutes. Now, the candidates are free to talk in any random fashion in a very cordial atmosphere. The topic will be current event and also of social importance. There is no need to reach a conclusion in the group discussion. Now, after the first group discussion is over, the GTO will announce the second topic without giving any break. Now, I shall explain what are the qualities that the GTO is looking in you during the discussion. First of all, your knowledge level about the given topic, how you are contributing, your reasoning, your communication skill, the presentation standard, how composed you are while presenting, how you are pitching in the ideas. The grading depends on the level of your comprehension of the topic. Now, the presentation will be standardized in 3 categories, that is high, average, or adequate. Therefore, the candidates must be abreast with the current affairs in all fields. The intellectual level of the candidate will be assessed from the grasp and the reasoning by the candidate. that is your communication skill, your leadership qualities like self-confidence, initiative, speed of decision, ability to influence group, your social behavior, how you respond when your views are opposed by others. Also, your dynamic qualities like stamina, courage, determination, courage of conviction will also be observed. Now I shall explain how to face the group discussion. First of all, you must choose a topic on which you are confident. If you can speak first, it shows your initiative, your confidence level, and how fast you are putting the subject in a logical sequence. Enter only when someone finishes and there is a pause. When you speak after another speaker finishes, then you should start off with I agree partially, I do not fully agree. Then thereafter you put across your point of view. Please do not beat around the bush. Be very confident when you speak. Be loud enough to be heard by all in the syndicate, and also make a sensible point. Concentrate on your body language. Be always positive, fully involved in the discussion, and also be a good listener. Try and speak 2 to 3 times. Be very precise and not more than 1 minute at a time. Every time you speak, put across a valid point. Do not repeat a point given out by others. Be calm and composed. Also, do not get emotional. Be assertive when you speak, and do not put across a question to the previous speaker. Give chance to other members. Do not dominate and be selfish. If someone gives a valid point, appreciate it and do not interfere in between. Please do not shout. Never deviate from your point of view throughout the discussion. Now I shall explain how to prepare. You must read English newspaper regularly. Concentrate on editorial columns. Concentrate on the national and international events. Follow up the development regularly. Have your critical analysis views. Also read good magazine giving neutral views. Listen to good TV news channels while having panel discussions. Make a group amongst your friends and keep practicing on different issues. Also stand in front of the mirror and practice concentrating on your body language. Do's. Prepare topics on current issues and be very abreast on the current events. Join the discussion as early as possible, if not first. Be humble while putting across your point. Do not get discouraged when contradicted. Be magnanimous to accept others' logical point of view, even if it is against your point. Be calm. Don't be tense. Think as if you are discussing with your friends. Points on don'ts. Do not reinforce a point given out by other candidates. No backing up others. Do not dominate the group. Give chance to others. Maintain good posture and concentrate on your body language. Don't be argumentative. Don't get excited and get up from the chair. Don't look at the GTO. Speak confidently. So please equip yourself as suggested. Practice in the right form. Success will be yours. I wish you all the best. Please subscribe and share. Jai Hind.